Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in our series of videos, we are focusing on writing skill and one by one we are developing a mastery over letter writing. So today we are again with a new topic, with a new sender, with a new receiver and with a new content. So let's begin with our formal letter writing. Question number 5, letter writing for 5 marks. Friends, when you start writing a letter, you need something to write on. You need a sender, you need a receiver, you need a subject, and you need other things on which you can develop a beautiful letter on. So friends, here is the sender, Abhishek or Akanksha, Venkat Survase from flat number 9, Gokuldham Society, Solapur. Abhishek or Akanksha, one of them, you are supposed to be Abhishek or Akanksha, and on behalf of Abhishek you will write a letter. Abhishek किंवा आकांक्षाच्या नावाने आपल्याला हे पत्र लिहायचं आहे. So what will you do? You will read the advertisement, दिलेली advertisement वाचायची आहे, and you will attempt any one of the following letter. So you are given 2 letters. So but what is advertisement? जाहिरात काय दिली आहे ती आपण बघूया. It's an advertisement of blood donation camp, as you can see from the symbol, as you can see from the picture. Blood donation camp organized on 2nd November 2019. Date is given. Time 10 am to 5 pm. Timing is given. Venue of the camp, Indradhanu Old Age Home, Ramwadi, Dist, Solapur. Venue of the camp is also given. Who organized this camp? Bhalchandra Blood Bank, Patange Road, Ramwadi. So these things are given here, and what other things are given? Benefits of blood donations are given, other attractions are given. In benefits of blood donation, रक्तदानाचे फायद्यांमध्ये काय दिलंय? Reduces the chance of heart attacks, enhances the production of new blood cell and improves overall health. These are benefits of blood donation. हे रक्तदानाचे फायदे दिलेत. And other attractions of the camp: free blood test for sugar, free consultation for underweight people, free gift after donating the blood. These are other attractions. So friends, this advertisement, the content in the advertisement, या advertisement मध्ये ज्या ज्या गोष्टी दिलेल्या आहेत, these things will help you to develop a letter. यांच्या मदतीने आपल्याला पत्र डेव्हलप करायचं आहे. So let's begin. So here is your blank page. Here comes the informal letter. Informal letter: write a letter to your uncle telling him about the camp, encouraging to donate blood by telling him benefits of blood donation, and you may add your own points. So this is what informal letter is all about. Informal letter मध्ये अंकलला पत्र लिहायचं आहे. In formal letter, write a letter to the in charge of the camp requesting him to organize a blood donation camp in your area. So friends, you are supposed to choose either one of them. दोन पैकी एक निवडायचं आहे. And today we will again go for A2, that is formal letter. आज आपण formal letter निवडूया. So writing a formal letter is very simple. Here comes the address of writer, Abhishek Venkat Survase, flat number 9, Gokuldham Society, Solapur, 4th November 2020. Look how the address is written. पत्राचा पत्ता कसा लिहिला जातो. अभिषेक writes a letter to, कोणाला पत्र लिहिले अभिषेकने? The in-charge, भालचंद्र ब्लड बँक, पतंगे रोड, रामवाडी. How simply he has written this. या पद्धतीने लिहायचं आहे. Then comes subject. Subject is given to you in the content of the letter. त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी शीट मध्येच हा सब्जेक्ट दिला होता. रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू ऑर्गनाइज अ ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प इन युअर एरिया. रिस्पेक्टेड सर, इट्स सॅल्युटेशन. हे झालं सॅल्युटेशन. कॉमन सॅल्युटेशन असेल. फर्स्ट पॅराग्राफ, कॉमन फर्स्ट पॅराग्राफ. विथ रेफरन्स टू अबव मेन्शन सब्जेक्ट, वी विश टू रिक्वेस्ट यू टू ऑर्गनाइज अ ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प इन युअर एरिया. सो दिस इज कॉमन पॅराग्राफ. अँड आय विल रिक्वेस्ट यू, मी तुम्हाला असं रिक्वेस्ट करेल की प्लीज वॉच माय अर्लियर व्हिडिओज ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर रायटिंग. search them on YouTube. And if you have subscribed my channel, so you would easily get all the links. So formal letter writing, so first paragraph कसा लिहायचा, this is very much clear. Regarding the main body of the letter, regarding the second paragraph, we can develop it with the help of the points given. Sir, with the residents of Gokuldham Society, we are aware of the benefits of blood donation and we want to organize such a camp in our area. We request you to please look into the matter and do the needful. Last closing lines, thanking you, yours faithfully. So friends, in this way we can develop a very beautiful letter. To know all other things regarding formal letter, please keep watching my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be receiving notifications of updated videos. So friends, click on the bell icon and click the subscribe button and keep on watching my videos.